Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I connected this Logitech audio system 2-in-1, two speakers, one subwoofer to this Samsung TV. I found out it's kind of hard because my audio system just have this AUX connection, 3.5 mm cable, and there on other side of TV I don't have this port. There is digital audio out, USB cables, and some promising connections. But as I found out, this is just for input signal. You can translate some video or audio to TV, not from TV. So it doesn't work. You can connect it, but it will not work if you want to play music from TV or something. So I need to I need to mention that this digital audio out is for digital signal. It goes in digital way, and this aux cable goes in analog. So you cannot buy just a dongle and connect it. It doesn't work. It's different signals. So I need to buy a translator converter. Right here. Give me a second. Digital to analog audio converter. As you can see, this is input. It goes from TV. This is for power. And here we have input, output for our AUX cable. So we're going to try to connect it. Yes, we will check. It's not so expensive. It costs around 20 bucks. So if it works, it is a good purchase. Okay, I will try to connect USB here to power it up. Give me a second. Yes, it lights, and I will need to connect it to digital audio out. And give me a second. As you can see, there is some sides, which is that's how you need to connect. Bam, and connected. And now we need to connect our AUX cable to this box. Yes, and I play some music before, and now it plays. As you can see, it works, but actually I made some adjustment before. Maybe you will need to go to settings, sound, and sound output. As you can see, now it's optical, but by default it is TV speakers. And now it goes from speakers, and now it's optical, and you can see it works. And I hope it helps, and see you later, alligator.